What's going on, guys? Today I want to do a quick video showing you how to replace the battery on your Mustang key fob or car key remote. So the first thing we are going to do is pop the back cover off. Now we're going to have to push down on this tab here, and then we can pry the back cover off. If you don't have long nails, you could just take a small flathead screwdriver, stick it in between the two plastic pieces, and the back will just pry right off. There it is. You also have a key here, and this would go under your car door handle if you were to use a key. After you remove those, on the bottom you have two little tabs, and it's actually very easy if you just grab like a really small precision flathead screwdriver and go in at this corner here, either that corner or this corner. I think this one's a little easier for me. And you just pop that back off right there, and here you have access to the batteries. This does use two batteries. Let me see which ones they are. It's a CR2025. I'll put a link in the description for the batteries. These do come very cheap on Amazon, so I highly recommend you go there to pick them up. If you remove this small little plastic piece, there is another battery right below that. So we're just going to reinsert the battery. Remember the placement of the positive and negative. There you go. Now if you do go from the top to the top in first and then the bottom, it actually does make it a little bit easier to insert that battery. So it is a good idea to do it that way. To put this cover back on, we're going to go from the top because there are these tabs. So lock the top tabs in first, and then we'll just push the bottom into place. You'll hear everything click into place. Let's put that key back on there, going in from the top and then the bottom. And then for the back cover, we go from the bottom because there is a little tab here. And then just click it into place. And that is how you replace the battery in your Mustang key fob or car key remote. So again, links down below for the battery as well as this precision screwdriver set. If you guys do find the video helpful, as always, I appreciate it if you leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more car videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.